All right, today I'm going to show you how to become little mini electricians. So let's get to it. First, you'll need some of these little pre-wired LED lights that you can find on Amazon, and they come in a variety of different colors. Then you'll need one of these pre-wired battery holders that you can also purchase on Amazon. They usually come in bulk. Then, of course, you'll need a battery, and then some heat shrink plastic tubing. Again, you can get these on Amazon. Unfortunately, they don't come in just one size, they do come in a bundle. Now I'm also using this speaker wire to give it a little more length, but you don't need it if it's not necessary. Now you'll also need a heat gun. If you don't have one of these, I highly suggest buying one. They do come in handy for a lot of projects. So we want to connect these wires together. Therefore, we have to strip about 1/2 inch of the plastic casing off of the wire. I am using an X-Acto knife to do this. I highly suggest not doing that. There are wire strippers, but my husband was at work and I couldn't grab them out of his truck. So you're going to strip both wires and this is what it'll look like. Now, if a couple wires get cut during the process, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Just don't cut too many. So you're going to do the same thing with the battery pack wires now and just strip that plastic housing off again. And you'll do that for both of the wires again. So now is when you want to test your light and make sure it's actually working. The black and black wires usually go together, and then the colored ones will tend to go together as well. Now you can skip this process if you don't need any length, but I needed the wires to be a little bit longer for reach, so I added the speaker wire. I split both sides to separate the wire, which was easy to do with an X-Acto knife, and then just gently pull them apart. Only about 1 inch, not all the way. And then you'll strip off the plastic again on both sides. So now it's time to connect them. I'm going to take this black heat shrink wrap and place it on the black wire. Now, if you're not using the speaker wire for length, you can skip this process and put it right on the battery pack wire. And then you're going to place the red heat shrink wrap on the other wire. Now we're going to connect the black wire to the black wire, and you're just going to twist the two wires together and make sure that they're touching. And just keep twisting till it's all tucked in. Then you're going to just slide that little black piece of plastic over top of the wire, and you're going to heat shrink it together. And then we're just going to do the same thing with the red one. Again, if you didn't need the extra length of the speaker wire, you could have just directly done this to the battery pack and the little LED light. So now we're going to hook the other end of the speaker wire to the actual LED light. And it's going to be the same process again, so it's super easy. As long as the right wires are connected to the right wires, everything will work. Now, the heat shrink tubes aren't necessary, but it's just going to prolong the life of your light. These heat guns are amazing. I use them for quickly drying paint, even clay. They're awesome. I kept it tucked away for a long time and I kept forgetting that I had it. So I keep it out so I can see it now, and I use it quite often. All right, so here is the moment of truth, all your hard work, and it works. If you liked this video and you thought it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any suggestions, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.